What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work. And today we are talking about how to make money online, doing what you're good at doing.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get into the how to make money online, doing what you're good at doing. All right, so I want you guys to understand one thing, right? Before we get started on this journey of how to make money online, doing what you're good at doing, that there is no one size fits all business when it comes to making money online. But this is my blueprint I suggest for those and for most people that want to create a business online and not just make money online, right? Because making money is easy, but it won't last like a business will. It won't help you build wealth. Making money is $10 here, $20 there, $5 there. That's what I'm talking about, making money, okay? And with all that said, I'm gonna break it down step by step. Get your paper and pen ready and save this video in your favorites. All right, so let's get started. Number one, find your skill. Most people want to tell you find something you love or find your passion. But I can't say this is good or bad, but I personally think this can lead you down the wrong road. I want you to find what you have a skill in. For instance, some people want to start a coaching business but can't coach. They are good at drawing though. Then this is what you use to build your business around. Go with your skills. If you're a talented barber, then you focus on that, okay? Not something you're not good at, all right? I can't stress this part enough. Build your business around something you're good at or something you are willing to put the work in to become good at, okay? Not just your passion or not just something you love, all right? It got to be something you're good at. Number two, find your social media market. There are so many social media sites to use to build your business around. It's almost ridiculous. You can start a YouTube channel. You can focus on building an Instagram following. Maybe you like using TikTok and this is where you want to create a following, or you already have a big following on Twitter. Either way, focus on the social media market you're most comfortable using. Because each social media has its own community, and you have to understand the ins and outs of those social media sites in that community, okay? So your best bet is to have tunnel vision, and build on that one platform. Don't give any other social media site your attention until you can say that when you post, you feel comfortable with the response. For instance, if you're not getting at least let's say 10 to 50 likes on your post from Instagram, then you need to keep focusing on that site until you get to that goal, okay? That's how you build it, right? Number three, build a website around your skill. Now, this is where things get a little sticky, some people don't want to do this, some people don't want to do that. Most people don't think this is a need, but when they come to your Instagram site and they want to buy whatever you're selling, it's best to have a website for them to go to. Also, you don't want to depend on a free traffic social media site that can shut your account down at any time. Or worse, your account gets hacked and now your business is at a standstill because you sell your product through Instagram or whatever social media site you use. This is a no-go, okay? You want to make sure your business is self-sufficient and not dependent on a social media site for income. Simple. Number 4, build your community. Online, community, and offline, but we're going to focus on online. Now, we know we all use social media sites like Facebook, IG, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and even YouTube to sell products on, but honestly, this is not where the sales should end. You should be directing your customers to an email list, a Discord group, or Facebook group. This is where you can literally have your community online to keep them engaged, and you can easily sell to them whenever you have a new product or whatever. You don't want to only be subjected to the algorithm of your favorite social media site. Even though it's a good thing to focus on one social media site, like I said, you want to build your own community over time. This is not an overnight process either. It will take you time to do this. Just keep this in mind, please. This is literally the basics of starting and running a business online using your skills, using what you're good at doing. There are other steps like finding a product or creating a product or service to sell, how to sell it online, all that good stuff, how to make it be autopilot. All that is explained in the Wealth Builder System program. It's only $20 right now. Don't delay because the price will rise like the sun soon. Trust me. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you to have a basic overview of how to make money online, doing what you're good at doing. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.